I'm here with George Rowe's team. We've got James in the John Deere tractor and he has the big bale transtacker on the back. Just watch what he does here. He gives that bale a good old nudge with the wheel on the front, and that moves it over for when it grabs it with the bale stacker. Little bump with the bumper, and then lines it up to the side of the transtacker. That's got grabs inside. They've just been released that lift the bale up onto the platform. James gives it a nudge with the front, which turns it over and moves it out of the way. And then that lets the arms and grabs. Nudge that over. Lines it up. You can see that's turning, so when they come on it changes the direction, and then that will release and lower back down on that deck. Ready, there you can see it lowering back down, ready for the next bales to go on. He has another, where are we now? Another, I think it's 4 that he can take after this one, and then he'll go back to the stack. It was only another 2 bales to go on the front, and James is now fully loaded and he's off to the stack. Just reversing back now, James will start to raise the stack. Stack that's on the back of the trailer, and start to line it up. It may bring the arm out on the side there. There you go, and that is to help him level up against this left stack. And there's an arm or fence or gate on the other side, whatever these are called on this specific model, that stays to steady it as he lifts that up, and you'll see that just comes in. Just release that, release the other side, and out he comes. Nudge it back, make sure it's touching. And then down, it comes back into transportation mode into the field.